Let me quickly show you how to schedule your post on Instagram using just the app. I'll also show you where to find your scheduled content, in case you want to make changes to your post. So let's get started. Click on this plus icon right here at the top, then select which content you want to upload, maybe a reel, post, story, or the rest. In my case, I want to upload a picture. Select the picture and click next. Then go ahead and caption your post as usual. When you are done captioning, scroll down for more settings, then click Advanced Settings. You will see the schedule option. Simply click on the icon to toggle it on, then choose the date and time according to your local time zone. When you are done, click on Back to get back to your post. Now when everything looks okay for you, hit schedule and wait for it to finish processing. As earlier promised, let me show you where to find your scheduled post. Click on this menu icon right up here at the top. Then scroll down and click on Scheduled Contents, and boom, there's your post. Bonus tip, you can still go ahead and click on the post to edit it. If you find value in this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more videos like this, check out my other videos showing on the screen now.